everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, today's video about new makeup released by Colourpop Winxclub Forever. Full collection set. This price is $169. Magix Gem. This long-lasting cream to powder cheek formula is the BFF of our famous Super Shock Shadows. It shares the same unique texture that is extremely buildable and blends smoothly to leave the cheeks looking healthy. Get glowing with our bouncy sparkling tie-dye shade inspired by the Winxclub for a gorgeous highlight on cheeks. Fingertip application will provide the highest amount of coverage. For a more sheer look, use a flat synthetic cheek foundation brush or a duo fiber brush. A flat synthetic brush will give more coverage and the dual fiber brush will give a more airbrushed effect. Color builds from natural to intense. Build to your heart's desire. Just like Magix Shadow Palette. Pressed powder shadow, highly pigmented shadow that applies evenly and feels ultra velvety and silky. This long-wearing formula contains a unique combination of softer powders which adheres easily to the eyes, gives a soft focus effect, and blends smoothly and evenly. Transform into a Winx fairy with 15 soft pastels plus vivid hues in matte metallic, matte sparkle, pearlescent glitter, and super shock finish. Apply with your favorite shadow brushes. Flat and firmer brushes will give the most color payoff. Fluffier brushes are great for blending. Asterisk, while not intended for use in the immediate eye area, these shades can be used anywhere else on your face or body. We recommend using these shades to enhance your overall look, for example, using the pigments on your temples or underneath your brow. Winx Fails. A super creamy eyeshadow stick to make your eyes pop. Get high-impact color in a single swipe with this innovative, long-lasting formula that glides on effortlessly. This multitasking stick can be used as an eyeshadow base, a liner, smoked out, wear it so many ways. Mix plus match shades or keep it simple for flawless looks without even trying. Use the built-in sharpener to create the most precise tip. Get all 6 limited edition shadow stick shades inspired by each Winx fairy spell. Fury of the Dragon Baby Pink Multi-Chrome. A super creamy multi-chrome eyeshadow stick that glides on smoothly for vibrant color shifting looks. Just swipe, blend, and go. Golden Pollen Mint Green with hot pink, coral, and golden multi-chrome finish. Perfect for beginners or pros. It's easy to use, ultra pigmented plus long-lasting for high-impact color. Morphix Shield Baby Blue with pink, coral plus golden multi-chrome finish. Use it as a shadow, a base, a liner, smudge it, smoke it out. The limit does not exist. Use the built-in sharpener to create the most precise tip. Baby Blue with pink, coral plus golden multi-chrome finish. Rising Sun Bright Peachy Coral with hot pink and gold multi-chrome finish. Super creamy multi-chrome eyeshadow stick that glides on smoothly for vibrant color shifting looks. Just swipe, blend, and go. Sonic Blast Lavender with pink and baby blue multi-chrome finish. Prime lids with party-proof eyeshadow primer before application for the most vibrant color. Apply all over lid and blend with fingertips or an eyeshadow brush. Static Sphere Lavender with pink and baby blue multi-chrome finish. Blend within 15 to 30 seconds before the formula dries down. Can also be used as an eyeshadow base, as a liner, smudged or smoked out. Use the built-in sharpener to get the most precise application. Individual crystal face jewels. Make it sparkle with these Winx-inspired face crystals. Amp up any look with this sheet of self-adhesive face crystals inspired by the 6 Winx fairies. Apply self-adhesive jewels to skin. To reuse. Apply eyelash glue or special FX adhesive to the back of the jewel and apply to skin. Enchantix Glitter Gel. a high-voltage glitter-packed gel paste that provides intense sparkle and shine, each featuring a unique blend of multi-dimensional and multicolored glitters. Glitters are suspended in an adhesive gel formula. That means there's no need for glitter glue. Take your look up a notch, or 100 ... not intended for use in the immediate area ... shade pinks. Apply with fingertips to hair and body. Magix Pout Ultra Glossy Lip Set. Swipe on our high shine, smoothing, never sticky gloss and prepare to be obsessed. Infused with jojoba oil for a nourished pout. Our flexible paddle applicator applies a perfect plush layer that looks and feels amazing. Bloom Swipe on the sheer shimmery baby pink. Glass-like shine with subtle shimmer. Aisha, the perf shimmery sheer turquoise. Prepare to be obsessed with our sheer shimmery high shine gloss inspired by each Winx fairy. Flora, make it shimmer with this sheer honey hue. Enriched with jojoba oil to help moisturize, nourish and provide a cushiony feel for juicy lips. Stella, get a juicy pout with this sheer shimmery tangerine. It provides the perfect smoothing, super glossy finish that doesn't feel sticky. Tecna, a sheer shimmery lavender for the perf pout. Prime your lips with our lippy primer for increased longevity and smoother application. Musa, be a hottie with this sheer shimmery fuchsia. You can apply your favorite lippy Stix, Ultra Matte, or Ultra Satin before your gloss. This will give you a more full coverage look. If you prefer to skip that step, you can now apply your Ultra Glossy Lip. If you liked today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Also, thank you for watching. Bye.